Hi everyone, I'm happy to be beginning this class again with all of you. My name is Jen Perry. I live and teach in San Jose, California. I first began working with individuals on the spectrum when I volunteered and then directed the Special Olympics program at UCLA. After that experience, I decided I wanted to work in special education, but I took the long way around. I joined Teach for America in the Delta, where I taught second and third grade, and then moved to San Diego and taught sixth grade math. And finally got my credential and started teaching special education after that. I currently teach in middle school. I'm the case manager for 7th and 8th graders in a mild to moderate program. I do have students on the spectrum on my caseload. We also have a moderate to severe program on our campus. And those students I know but don't work with directly. Something that I'm proud of learning and doing so thus far in these classes is the functional behavior assessment, and also just learning more about the evidence-based practices and looking a little bit more in depth. I had learned about FBAs before, but going through the process again was really beneficial, and it also helped me when I had to do an FBA a couple months later. I loved using the matrix from the IRIS module, which helped me figure out the functions of the behavior. I also like taking a deeper dive into some of the evidence-based practices that we learned about in the class last class. I'm looking forward to implementing some of them, especially the self-management one, because I think with middle schoolers, it's really important that they have more empowerment and can be more independent in tracking their own stuff. Something that is on my 5-year bucket list is to visit at least 10 more national parks with my 3 kids and husband. Our goal as a family is to eventually visit all 63 national parks. And so far we have visited 38. So we still have a ways to go, and I'm hoping to get a few more done with them. All right. I will see you guys all later.